IKEA in the city of Nizams. I'm sure most of us have been there. If you haven't, this video would land you up there. This is not a regular IKEA haul. I'm sure it would crazily easily dive the plant lovers. By the time you reach the last section of IKEA, the plant section, I'm sure your energy levels might have been low. Don't worry if you couldn't explore it properly. You'll be glad I made this video. Let's look at a few of the live plants available at IKEA. Let's start with this guy. Anthuriums. The bold red and pink flowers. These tropical beauties, they don't like overly dry or wet soils. So it's important to keep the soil slightly moist at all the times. And they bloom best in bright and indirect light. Next in line is Epiprenum, commonly called as pothos or money plant. It grows both in and outdoors. So just place it in shady area and water it moderately. Very soon you will see it grow and turn into a Rapunzel. Syngonium, commonly called the arrowhead plant. It needs moderate watering. Just keep in mind, overwatering leads to root rotting. And it prefers bright and indirect light. Nephrolopis or fern. They thrive in partially shady in or outdoors. Just water them whenever the soil feels dry to the touch. Phalaenopsis orchids. These need a special potting mix. Don't place them in direct sunlight. They need a bright shade, but not direct sunlight. And also don't overwater them. DRACAENA or Song of India. This is a slow-growing ornamental plant. Just place them in shady area and water it moderately. Echeveria. These succulents grow good in dry and warm conditions. Chrysalidocarpus luteins, commonly known as Erica palm. For this variety, let the soil be porous and water moderately. Just place it in indirect light and don't overwater. ALOE barbadensis. It needs moderate watering and bright light, so it's best to keep it outdoors. Codium. This croton needs bright and indirect light and moderate water. LIVISTONA rotundifolis. This palm is better indoors and just keep it in indirect light and water moderately. Chrysanthemum. These plants, they could be kept in direct sunlight, and overwatering is a strict no-no because it rottens the roots and kills the plants. So water them carefully. When you give flowers to your loved ones, they reflect immediate happiness. Instead of flowers, give them these flowering plants and have them stay happy for long. Let us now look at a few of the pots available at IKEA. This is the only pot with a drainage hole that I found at IKEA. It is made of terracotta clay and it comes with a saucer. And these pots are available in 2 different sizes at IKEA. Well, here are some decorative planters. They're made in ceramic, plastic, metal, and even glass. And as they are just for fancy purpose, as they are fancy pots, they do not have a drainage hole, so they're good for double potting. There are a variety of watering cans available at IKEA. And here's my favorite one. It gives a great feel watering succulents with this one. This black can is on sale. It's available only for 49 rupees. You may also find some good quality gardening gloves and tools at IKEA. If you don't have a green thumb, not to worry, there is a solution for you as well at IKEA. Here are some artificial plants. So you know where to go if you're planning to set up a garden. Why wait? Just go to IKEA while the sale is still on and be the lucky one to grab them first. See you soon with another crazily easy video. This is your Sue signing off.